your whare mahara, you've left your tinana room behind. Now head outside. The kupu for Nga Tae, or colours, are waiting for you there.
Kakariki, green. Ka-ka-ri-ki, kakariki. Whero, red. Whero, whero. Kahurangi, blue. Ka-hu-ra-ngi, kahurangi. Waiporoporo, purple. Wai-po-ro-po-ro, waiporoporo. Kōwhai, yellow. Kōwhai, kōwhai. Pango, black. Pa-ngo, pango. Ma, white. Ma.
Kōwhai is a cool word. It has the English WH in it. In Māori, the WH makes a F sound. Kōwhai.
That is cool. Outside the house, you find paint and paintbrushes. Pick up a brush and paint the word kakariki, green, over one wall of the house. Remember to put macrons over the R's. Big, bold, green strokes. K, A, K, A, R, I, K, I. Ka-ka-riki.
With another paintbrush, write whero, red, diagonally across the wall. Maybe some of the whero paint has run into the kakariki paint. Oh no!
Never mind, just throw a kahurangi blue paint bomb onto the roof. Watch it explode, leaving the word kahurangi covering the whole roof. Nice one.
Now find a window and with a spray can write waiporoporo, purple. Make sure at least half the window is covered in waiporoporo paint.
Now change cans and spray kōwhai, yellow, on the other half of the window. Kōwhai. There's that F sound. Kōwhai. Also, remember to put the macron over the O.
To finish up, go to your front door, the one you branded with the word mua, way back at the start of He Whare Mahara. Paint it in shiny pango, black. Now go to the back door with muri on it and paint it ma, white. Can you still see mua through the shiny pango or muri through the ma?
Awesome painting. You have kakariki painted across the wall with whero paint running into it. A kahurangi paint bomb exploded all over the roof. A window covered in waiporoporo and kōwhai paint. And your front door painted shiny pango with the back door all ma.
Great work! Have fun painting these kupu in your mind over the next few days. It's also a good time to review your whole whare mahara so far. See how many words you can remember. Ka pai.